Hello everyone to another video of VIGteQnos. In this video we are going to introduce you to our newest product. The new product is linerless masking tape for eyeglass lens polishing. TP7673. Masking tape is a tape that protects the lens surface during the eyeglass lens polishing process. Highly conformable to curved surfaces, suitable for all lens materials, adheres well to alloy and can easily be removed. Until now we only have been offering masking tape product with release liner. However, we are excited to announce the launch of our new product TP7673 that eliminate the need for release liner and also delivers performance equal to or surpasses our conventional product. Compared to the conventional product, our new product offers 4 advantages. The first advantage is less waste. As there is no release liner, waste can be reduced. The second advantage is less space, because winding length is long and tape thickness is thin compared with conventional products, storage space can be reduced. The third advantage is less shipping cost. Because the volume is smaller than conventional products, shipping costs can be reduced. The fourth and final advantage is less downtime. Since there is no winding setting of the release liner, and the winding length is double that of conventional products, the downtime can be reduced. Here is the performance and specification table comparing our new linerless product TP7673 to the conventional product. As you can see, the major difference is the thickness and width length of the roll. Feel free to pause the video to check the rest of the specifications. Our linerless masking tape is now available. For more information, please feel free to get in touch with us. And here is our social media accounts, feel free to follow us.